With a unique design, the V-22 Osprey is the only U.S. transport aircraft that can fly in multiple modes. It is designed to combine the functionality of a conventional helicopter with the long-range, high-speed cruise performance of a turboprop aircraft. Since the failure of Operation Eagle Claw to rescue 52 hostages held in Iran in 1980, it was emphasized that there were military roles for which neither conventional helicopters nor fixed-wing transport aircraft were suitable. The U.S. Department of Defense launched a program of transport aircraft capable of vertical takeoff, high-speed flight, and long-range operation. The Joint Surface Vertical Takeoff or Landing Experimental Program officially commenced in 1981. By 1989, the prototype V-22 was launched and tested. Because of the complexity of the design, with engines that could rotate 90 degrees, testing of the aircraft lasted until the mid-2000s. By June 2007, V-22 Osprey was officially put into service with the U.S. Marine Corps. The U.S. Air Force fielded their version of the tiltrotor, the CV-22B, in 2009. In terms of design, the Osprey is completely different from the rest of the world of aircraft. It has a length of 17.48 meters, a wingspan of 13.97 meters, a width of 25.776 meters, and a height of 6.73 meters. Its empty weight is 14.43 tons, and its maximum takeoff weight is 19.37 tons. It features a cockpit that includes a side-by-side seating arrangement with frame canopy windscreen allowing for above, side, and forward views of the action behind a short, sloping nose cone. The passenger cabin is directly aft of the cockpit, with access doors around the sides of the forward fuselage. The fuselage carries a noticeably burnished lower sides, while the straight-wing appendages are seated atop the roof and amidships. H-wing root manages a positional engine nacelle, which can face upwards for or tilt horizontally to direct power for forward flight as needed. H-engine powers a large, three-bladed composite rotor assembly. The Osprey is classified as a power-lift aircraft by the Federal Aviation Administration. For takeoff and landing, it typically operates as a helicopter with the nacelles vertical and rotors horizontal. Once airborne, the nacelles rotate forward 90 degrees in as little as 12 seconds for horizontal flight, converting the V-22 to a more fuel-efficient, higher-speed turboprop aircraft. Composite materials make up 43% of the airframe, and the prototype blades also use composites. For storage, the V-22's rotors float in 90 seconds, and its wing rotates to align front to back with the fuselage. The Osprey is powered by two Rolls-Royce T406 AD400 engines, with a maximum of 6,150 horsepower each at 15,000 revolutions per minute at sea level. The Osprey can reach a top speed of 509 km per hour, a range of 1,628 km, and a service ceiling of 7,600 meters. The standard operating crew of the V-22 is 4 personnel, includes 2 pilots and a pair of flight engineers. Up to 24 seated passengers or 32 standing infantry can be transported, or up to 20,000 pounds of internal cargo or 15,000 pounds of external cargo. Since entering service with the Marine Corps and Air Force, the Osprey has been deployed in transportation and medevac operations over Iraq, Afghanistan, Libya, and Kuwait. The US Navy plans to use the CMV-22B for carrier on-board delivery duties beginning in 2021. Boeing has proposed additional variants to the base V-22 line, including the EV-22 as an airborne early warning and control platform. The SV-22 is proposed anti-submarine warfare version for the US Navy, outfitted with specialized instrumentation, equipment, and assumed deep sonar capability. To date, 400 Ospreys have been produced at a cost of roughly $70 million per system. Japan is the only foreign operator of this system. On May 8, 2020, the first 2 of the 5 aircraft were delivered to the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force at Kisaraju Airfield. My video about the V-22 Osprey answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.